Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and two-factor access, because account sync is essential. Next, open Music on Mac or Apple Music on iPhone and sign in to the same Apple ID. Once signed in, go straight to Settings or Preferences and enable iCloud Music Library, now called Sync Library, and allow the app time to scan. This initiates matching and uploading. Make sure you stay on a reliable Wi-Fi network so the library state can be uploaded and compared accurately. Once the sync starts, you inspect the Activity or Upload section to see matched versus uploaded tracks, because that tells you it still needs attention. If progress stalls, on Mac use File, Library, Update Cloud Library to force a rescan and push local changes. For tracks that remain unmatched, re-add them from your local files or enable home sharing to transfer them from another device. This ensures they upload as originals. Also check metadata, artist, album, and track titles, because inconsistencies prevent matches. To finish, verify the library appears correctly on each device and give it several minutes to propagate. If a device won't refresh, sign out and back in to force resync. If songs are still missing, re-import them from your local backup while preserving metadata so matching succeeds. If everything fails, reset the sync library option to rebuild cloud data, but be cautious. It can remove cloud copies. If problems persist, collect logs and contact Apple support for assisted recovery and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.